Today's video is going to be about this Ramset. If you go to a hardware store, you find multiple types. So you do your research, find the one you want. I bought Ramset MasterShot, and that one I find convenient. I could easily put it in my toolbox and take it along with me. That's why I got it. You don't forget to buy the nails. They come in different sizes. You got 1 inch, 2 inches, 1.25 inches, 3 inches too. But once you buy nails, you could buy these ammos. So these ammos go from low power to high power, brown being the lowest, and then you have the green, yellow, red being the highest. So I'm going to demonstrate how this thing works. It has a safety feature. You see, it's easy. The safety feature is this. Once you take out the shell, you see, we're going to put back with the yellow one, which is like medium load. It's good for 2x4 to 2x4, or if you are nailing 2x4 into a concrete, yellow works great. Now we're going to use a 2-inch nail, and this nail comes with this orange plastic that holds it in place, which is very important. Otherwise the nail would come off. Like right now, it'll slide out. So that's important to have. So we're going to hold the MasterShot, and you just can't trigger, it won't work. It's spring loaded. You see the spring right here? To get this to work, push down, hold, and trigger. You see? Perfect shot. That's what they call it, the MasterShot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone so that my channel could survive, and thank you for watching.